are you looking to transition into the field of product management but do not belong to the field of product management? Well, we are going to discuss certain domains in this video that will share some similarities and help you in transitioning into the field of product management if you belong to these domains. So stay tuned for the video ahead.
Audio.
You must have heard the expression of all roads lead to Rome. Well, similarly, many paths lead to product. Now, products are built for everyone, right? So they need to be built by everyone. Now, having a variety of perspectives, having a variety of strengths and weaknesses actually builds up a product team. Now, building digital products is an art and a science. So, if half of your team are artists and other half of them are scientists, you're in good form. Now, we are about to dive into how a variety of disciplines can set you up for success as a product manager. So, how to transition to product management from number one, project management. Now, product management and project management are two of the most commonly confused disciplines, right? While product has some similarities with project and uses many of the same skills, the two are quite different. That being said, project to product is perhaps one of the most commonly seen transitions in this domain. So, as a project manager, you already have the time management, team leadership, and project planning skills that are used in product. Now, this is perhaps the cleanest transition to make, and since the parallels between product and project are so well known. Now, however, if you have not managed projects before in, let's say, digital software development space, you might need to take some steps to familiarize yourself. Now, how to transition yourself from consultancy to product management. Now, moving from being consultant to product manager is another very common move, as you are usually transitioning from things like business and technology, which are two of the three pillars of product. Right now, the key difference between these roles is that is people management, right, which you'll have to do on a daily basis as a product manager, right? If you can find opportunities to take on a position of leadership, this will boost your skill set and help you make the move to product management. Now, how do you transition from marketing to product management? Now, marketing and product go hand in hand nowadays, with many product managers keeping growth in mind. So, if you are a marketer, there are several things that you do all the time that are incredibly important for product managers, right? For starters, you are already a wizard at user stories, user journeys, and user research. So, having a deep understanding of the customers and knowing how to talk to them is a great strength for any product manager. Now, focusing on what you will bring to the product manager role in terms of being the voice of the customer will set you up for success. So, especially in very customer centric companies and consumer products. Now, how do you transition from engineering to product management? While having technical knowledge isn't an absolute prerequisite for landing a job in product manager, there are millions of reasons why engineers become great product managers. First of all, no one works better with an engineering team than a former engineer. Secondly, you'll be able to work very quickly when it comes to kind of more technical aspects of the product development process, because you have done more work of being an engineer. Also, being an engineer opens up many doors in the product world, as there are many roles, particularly in the AI or the machine learning space, which require a higher level of technical knowledge from their product managers. Now, how do you transition from design to product management? Now, design being one of the major pillars of product, design is actually a great background for product managers to have. Firstly, because you have a close understanding of user experience, of wireframes and how to actually design a product that people will actually enjoy using, right? So, see if you can get yourself involved, in some of the decision making processes, or shadow your company's product team. That will give you a clearer idea of what skills you need to work on to become the perfect product manager. Now, these were only a selection of some common transition paths that I discussed. Like, if you don't see your current discipline on the list, do not feel stuck. Anyone with the right attitude, curiosity, and willingness to learn can become a great product manager. Well, if you like the video, click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, so every time there's a new video out, you'll be notified first. Thank you.